Hello friends, today we will see programming and problem solving. In this, we will discuss about basics of string. String. The Python string data type is a sequence made up of one or more individual characters where these characters can be letter, digits, white space or any other symbol. Python actually treats string as a continuous series of characters and they are delimited by single quote or double quote or triple quote. Means we can write string by using these three symbols in a single quote or in a double quote or in a triple quote. In Python, we can declare and define string by creating variable. Let's have some examples to see how actually we are using strings in Python. Here I have written name1 is equal to in a single quote India. Here the variable is name1 and its value is India. So name1 is a string variable. Now name2 is equal to double quote Pankaj. Here the string is name2 and its value is Pankaj. Name3 is equal to triple quote India @123. Triple quote, actually it should be a triple quote. Now here string is name3 and its value is India @123. And the last example, final is equal to name3. Now in this case, these two words mentioned in this expression are variables. Name3 value is India @123. So value of final is actually India @123. So these are certain examples how to declare or define string in Python. Let me repeat again. String is combination of alphabet or numbers or symbols @ $, percentage, exponent and multiplication, division and many more, along with white space, that the space bar or the tab equal to 4 spaces. Remember, string is combination of everything that is mentioned over here. So anything that is written in a single quote or in a double quote or in a triple quote is considered as a string in Python. Now how to access string in Python, how we can make operations on a string in Python. So the things come without things cannot be explained without indexing. So we will discuss about string indexing. So string character from a string can be accessed using a square bracket operator. It is actually called as subscript in Python. So we have to write number in this square bracket, in this subscript operator. That number is called index or position of that particular character in a string. Now these positions or numbers are always start from 0. It is default. The position of string can always start from 0 from left side, and a position of string or index of a string always starts from -1 from the right side. Now let's have some examples about indexing. Before that, we need to have one example. So consider a name is equal to welcome to Python. Let me tell you once again. Here we have welcome space to space Python. So string do not have only these alphabets, along with it is having these two spaces. So this space is also having one fixed position. So here I am again writing the string welcome to Python, and here are the positions from the left side. So look at the position. This first letter of string is at position 0, second letter is at position 1, third is at 2. Likewise, see, the space is also having position for the string. So if we are trying to print the 7th position of string, we will never see any output, but we need to remember that space is printed. Same thing here at position 10, there is a space in your string. So remember, position of string will always start from 0 if you look at from left side, and position of string will always start from -1 if we look at to it from right side. So you are free to use any indexing method, any position method. You can use positive indexing or you can use negative indexing. The choice is yours. Now how to print a character from that string? Suppose you want to print this C from the string. Welcome to Python. There is one character in this string C, and you want to print this C from the string. So before printing this C, you need to know position of this C. So let's have a look from left side. So if you look from the left side, see the position of C is 3. So we want to print a third character from string. Though you see it is at the 4th position, the positions are starting from 0. So C is at 3rd position. So to print a single character, we need to give its position, and we identified position of C, it is 3. So here how we can print the name of string. The name of string is name, the variable name, and from this variable we want to print third character. So name, this is subscript operator, and 3 position. So we will get output 3. Now if we want to print using negative position, negative indexing, that is also possible. See the negative indexing, so C is at position -14. So you can print it from -14 as well. Here I have put -3, so -3 it will print H. So this is how we can access a string or individual characters of a string by using subscript operator. Now the things that we need to remember in this basic chapter is, to print a complete string we just need to type a name of that string variable without subscript operator. This subscript operator is used when you are expected to print a single character from the string or a substring. When you want to print a complete string as it is, don't use this operator, simply type name of that variable. To print a single character from string, we need to type string variable with index. And remember, the index, the position that we are giving to print a individual character is always a number, negative number or positive number. This index cannot be a character. Okay, now we will see some examples directly in Python shell. Now declaring string is declaring a variable. So I am declaring one variable name equal to. Now you can declare string in single quote, double quote, triple quote. Let's use double quote, and string name is BPKBIET, double quote, complete. So we have declared a string. Now when I type print and when I am writing name, so here I am trying to print a string. I have never used that 2 square brackets. So when I am typing a string variable name without any bracket, it means printing that string completely. See the output BPKBIT. Now when I want to print a particular character from the string, let's assume I want to print P. So check out the position of P. The position of P is at first place. Means 0 is the starting place. So 0 position there is a V character, first position there is a P character. So print name of string variable is name, then this subscript operator and 1. So I am actually trying to print a character which is at position 1 in a string name. Now it is going to print P. When you look at same string from the right direction, a negative indexing, try to identify index of P. The index of P is, let's check, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So index of P is -6 from right side. So I can write name -6 is. and see it is again going to bring P. So this is the way to access individual characters from string or to access whole string. So you need to remember that subscript operator, and in the subscript operator we are giving index, a position of that character. So this is all about basic of string. In next lecture we will deal with some operations that we can do on string. Thank you.